Mangaluru Dragons and Shivamogga Lions are languishing at the bottom of the points table of Maharaja T20 Trophy 2024. Shivamogga have remained winless this season after 6 matches, while the Dragons have won just 1 match. In an earlier fixture this season between the two teams, the Dragons had edged out Shivamogga. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore will host all the matches of the 2024 season of Maharaja T20 Trophy. The average first innings score at this venue so far in the season is 160 and in the second innings it is 137. The highest score in Maharaja T20 Trophy 2024 so far at this venue is 226 and the lowest score is 51. Mangaluru Dragons and Shivamogga Lions would look to persist with the same combination. However, substitution of right players would be key. Both teams have played 3 matches against each other in Maharaja T20 Trophy, with the Dragons winning twice and Shivamogga once. In the Maharaja Trophy 2024, K. Siddharth has shown consistency with the bat. In 5 innings, he has scored 174 runs at an average of 43.50 and a strike rate of 150.00, including 1 half century. Abhilash Shetty has been a key bowler for Mangaluru Dragons in the Maharaja Trophy 2024. In 6 innings, he has taken 9 wickets with an impressive strike rate of 14.00, an economy rate of 8.33 and an average of 19.44. A. Manohar has been in exceptional form in the Maharaja Trophy 2024. In 6 innings, he has scored 259 runs at a remarkable average of 64.75 and a strike rate of 175.00, with 3 half centuries to his name. H.S. Sharath has been the leading wicket taker for Shivamogga Lions in the Maharaja Trophy 2024. In 3 innings, he has taken 4 wickets at a strike rate of 11.00. Nitin Jose is a hot pick for the Dragons. In the Maharaja Trophy 2024, he has scored 152 runs in 5 innings at an average of 38.00 and a strike rate of 119.68, including a 50. Rohan Patil would be an avoid pick for the Dragons because of his poor form with the bat in the last couple of matches. For Shivamogga, Hardik Raj is a hot pick. In this season of the tournament, he has scored 128 runs in 4 innings at an average of 32.00 and a strike rate of 175.34, with 150 to his credit. Bangalore Mohit is an avoid pick for Shivamogga. This season, he has only managed to score 15 runs in 2 innings. Mangaluru Dragons have already beaten Shivamogga Lions in an earlier fixture this season. Dragons have an edge and would have 70% chance to win the match. Abhinav Manohar would be a good choice for captain. Abhilash Shetty will be a great option for the vice captain. आखिर में हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में कृष्णमूर्ति सिद्धार्थ को विकेट कीपर के रूप में शामिल किया गया है। 3 ऑलराउंडर्स हैं श्रेयस गोपाल, मैकलीन नोरोहा और डी अशोक। फैंटेसी 11 में 3 बैटर्स हैं नितिन जोस, अभिनव मनोहर और लोचन गौड़ा। 4 बॉलर्स होंगे हार्दिक राज, अभिलाष शेट्टी, एच.एस. शरथ और एम.बी. दर्शन।